It's Ron Brown with Tech for Senior. You know what, Tech for Senior? We're here to help seniors with technology. I'd sure like to invite you to our show on Monday. It's going to be a good one. I'm going to open with the intro, and Bob is going to talk on the security update. Dewey's going to talk on EV batteries. He's been talking a lot about EV cars lately. I wonder if he's going to buy one. And I'm going to talk on the problem with multiple email addresses, particularly Gmail. Huey's going to talk on file transfer from Android to a PC. And Ray, of course, will have his very popular music outro. We're going to then have a question and answer period, which you can answer questions. And then we're going to move into our premiere event. And in our premiere service today, I'm going to help you navigate through Tech for Senior. You know, since our beginning 3 years ago, we now have over 600 videos. We do 2 shows a week, 1 podcast. So we have a big organization now, and sometimes it's a little difficult to find your way around. So the video we're going to be showing this week is Organizing Tech for Senior. And then Dewey is going to talk about hearing aids. What did you say? Yes, Dewey's going to give us a talk on the different types of hearing aids. And Huey's going to talk on Chromebook keyboard tips. Chromebooks have a little bit different type of keyboard than PCs, and he's going to tell you about the differences. So if you have a Chromebook or thinking of getting one, it's a good thing to watch this video. That will be on our premiere service. I'll put the link in the newsletter, and of course it will be on the show as well. So we'll see you Monday. That's May the 16th. And we'll see you then. It's going to be a good one, so don't miss it. Till Monday, have a great day. Bye now.